Good morning, Team Ismash. How is everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. In today's episode now, as you can see, we're experiencing some rainfall. So rainfall today, so we didn't get to do much today, I can admit that. However, most of the works were supposed to be done earlier, what we did plan for the earlier, which was office administrative work and checking all of this with stocks, with inventory, all of that is done. I finally get the opportunity to touch out, and I haven't had lunch as yet because I did truly make up my mind, say yo, I'm gonna get this done right now and then get the ball rolling, cause it's very important to understand where you are positioned at any given time. So that's the first thing as a task we did take on this morning. Now we are going to do another walkthrough on the site. Block work is now commenced to the superstructure, and the same lot I showed you yesterday. We are going to go see what they're up to. Besides from that, again, if you're new to the channel, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Notification bell is just as important, and you guys check the link down in the description to support the channel. Team Ismash. Let's see what I'm going now. Chop through here, so. Fuck's sake. So the labor is working around the back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So these are block templates. One card from one to the other end. So every 3 cores there's a tie rod. Conduits. Work in progress. So tomorrow we'll see how far they reach on that one. So we're back over here, so just have a look back on the step to see how it's holding up, and what you guys think? Shuttering material can take down soon. Can we de-shutter soon? Manual. Grease strap, manual. Volley basic. The raster runner, so I dig. All gone, Russ. You done today, though? No, so this.
Done this to them. I done that one today. I'll get some steel and set up the next something for the stanchion over there.
Which stanchion? Oh, crosses. Oh. Alright, go on, do your thing.
be safe in getting through tomorrow. When I throw me down, you can lead me to the side. You still raising me up, but when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me.
So that was Rasta digging to install manual. And when the plumber asked him to finish dig, so he can come run steam pipe them. So that's how I go on. And also lay the block them. I think I plumb on everything. When I need a mace to really construct the manual. So let's go on with the block. So this one is one of our incomplete, second to last. Deep. So look like the termites then they here. Install if you install. I have some Philippine channels that I am subscribed to, and in the Philippines they call the electricians termite because you build up your day masonry walls, then block works, you build up a wall, and then the termites them slash the electricians come on the things like these you know the walls. So in the Philippines, at least from that vlog they watch, they call them the termites. So the termites, see evidence of them there. In yesterday's vlog where we talk about we're on the wall with the spot bonding thing, and in that time I say well, I'll have to render first and all of that. Most of you guys probably used to the walls being rendering before the application of the thin set tile and etc. In some cases you guys arc it up, in some cases you guys just get the nostril and go ahead and put on the adhesive. Either way, alright in regards to standard, I guess. And yeah, I just really want to hear what you guys did have to say yesterday about that. As I said, we did have to fix the whole heap of spot bonding where the guy do in prior to me coming up to him. We'd have to fix that. We don't like a shortcut work, and as I say, spot bonding is a shortcut work. It easier for, as I say, eliminate leakage, and well, it's just not recommended. And that's why we did even able to take out the tiles them. For fully butter it, we did able to take it out because of the spot band. It is a weak band, brother. It's a weak band, so you can't tell me nothing in the comment section about that. Yo, we make like a long friggin' outro while ago, and this shit just never did a record. Anyways, Team Ismash, you guys already know, say, from a day or so, I film at home, I mean, something happened. And what happened is that rain came back down and just mashed up my day. And you guys already know, so I try to do a 5-day streak. I at least try something to see how frequent I can do uploads on YouTube. It's very hard thus far because I have school, I have work, I have a video thing to edit, I have my life, I have all other things, you know. So it's kind of tiring, but I try to do it. I try to at least see how I can multitask, how long I can do it for without being burnt out, and I try something. So again, disclaimer, the vlog, I go just jump to a whole new scene, and this scene is me being at a site visit. We're doing an addition to our house, and it's a 3-bedroom, it's 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, something like that. And we just walk through and see what you guys then do, you know, just get a quick little visit. I not upload visits on YouTube like that, but if it's something I want to get into, we can try that and see what I want. So anyways, Team Ismash, I appreciate you guys, and before the video end, from now, I'm telling us I'm out, and if you haven't subscribed as yet, please do. And if you're new to my channel, join the notification gang and just become a member of the Team Ismash fraternity. You know, we're strong and we look out for each other, and we always have each other back. Team Ismash, I'm out.
be safe in getting through tomorrow. When I throw me down, you could lead me to the side. You still raising me up, and when I look aside, she guides me with a sign and light of me. It ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over, it ain't over.
You didn't set me aside. It's never going deep. Oh, you did it. Well, this buff out, sir. How far you go? How far you go? You don't flash your wall. How far you go? Render. How far you go? Render. Come on, come on.
Cause I'm not done, I just want me to find it.